Fáilte chuig rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're going to take a look at the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra. Just a word of warning though, you might want to brush up on your tUrús and your Tuiseal Ginideach Uatha before learning this topic. The Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra is the plural version of the Tuiseal Ginideach. We use it when talking about more than one thing in the Tuiseal Ginideach. We use the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra for the same reasons as the Tuiseal Ginideach Uatha, so take a look at them if you're not 100% sure. The first thing to remember is we always use na followed by an tUrú. Next, we have to think about the word in its plural form. Just bear with us a second because it sounds tricky, but don't worry, it's not. If the word ends in a consonant in the plural form, in the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra we use the singular form of the word. So for example, da na grán, the colour of the trees. But if the word ends with a gutta in the plural form, in the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra we use the plural form of the word. So like cótaí na galíní, the girls' coats. However, if to make the word plural you only add an a with no other letters to the end of the word, in the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra we use the singular form of the word. For example, da na mróg, the colour of the shoes. If the plural form of the word is used in the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra, this is referred to as a train Iolra, or a strong plural, because it keeps its plural form. But if the singular form of the word is used in the Tuiseal Ginideach Iolra, this is referred to as a log Iolra, or a weak plural, because it loses its plural form.